Hello everyone, today we are going to solve the problem of UPSC 2024 15 marks question from topic simple harmonic motion. Here in the question, a particle executes simple harmonic motion such that in two of its position, velocity are u and v, and the two corresponding acceleration are f1 and f2. For what value of k, the distance between the two position is, so also that the amplitude of the motion is this. Let's solve the problem. Let A be the amplitude of the motion whose equation is d2x upon dt square is equal to minus of mu x. According to the definition of simple harmonic motion, then dx upon dt का whole square is equal to mu of e square minus x square, and from here dx by dt is the velocity, so v square is equal to mu e square minus x square. If according to question, if x1 and x2 are the distance between the position and f1 and f2 are acceleration, according to given data, first this is the acceleration is equal to f. When acceleration is f1, then f1 is equal to minus of mu x1, and f2 is equal to minus of mu x2, and when the initial velocity is u, then u square is equal to mu e square minus x1 square, and when final velocity is v, it is v square is equal to mu e square minus x1 square. From here, adding f1 plus f2, we get minus of mu x1 plus x2. This is equation 1. And from here, v square minus u square is equal to mu is common, and a square minus x2 का square minus of a square plus of x1 square. From here, minus a square and plus a square is cancelled out. So remaining is mu x1 square minus x2 square e square minus u square. From here, a square minus b square formula is x1 square minus x2 square. We can also write mu x1 plus x2 and x1 minus x2. Let this equation 2. From here, using equation 1, in equation 2 we get v square minus u square is equal to, from here, minus of mu x1 plus x2, then x1 plus x2 and into mu, minus of mu, this is x2 minus x1. From here, equation 1, minus of mu x1 plus x2, value is f1 plus f2. That is v square minus u square is equal to x1 it is x2 minus x1 into f1 plus f2. f1 plus f2 is equal to minus of mu x1 plus x2. From here, put the value f1 plus f2, then x2 minus x1 is equal to v square minus u square upon f1 plus f2. Here, in the given question asked what is the value of k. So here k is equal to 1 upon f1 plus f2. This is the distance between the two positions, is the value of this. In the given question asked the value of v square minus u square, in place of k what is the value. So k is equal to 1 upon f1 plus f2. Further, we have to show that the amplitude of the motion is this. Then taking 1 upon f2 square minus f1 square bracket u square minus v square and u square f2 का स्क्वायर माइनस v स्क्वायर f1 का स्क्वायर का whole power 1/2. Here putting the value, here f2 is given by minus of mu x2, that is mu square x2 का स्क्वायर माइनस, and f1 is given by minus of mu x1, it is mu square x1 का स्क्वायर. Here putting the value of u square is given by here, u square value is mu a square minus x1 का स्क्वायर minus value of v square is mu a square minus x2 का स्क्वायर, and from here u square is again putting the value of u square, that is mu a square minus x1 का स्क्वायर, and f2 is mu square and x2 square minus v square is mu a square minus x2 का स्क्वायर and F1 is mu square x1 square and whole power is 1 by 2. From here 1 upon mu square is common, that is x2 का square minus x1 का square. Here mu is common, a square minus x1 का square minus of a square plus of x2 का square. Minus a square plus a square is cancel out. And from here mu square, that is mu cube, and from here mu cube is common. Mu cube is common, that is x2 का square, x2 का square and mu cube is common, x2 square a square minus x1 का square minus of x1 का square a square minus x2 का square, whole power is 1 by 2. Mu and mu cube is mu 4. When root coming mu 4, that is common out, that is mu square, and common it is mu square upon mu square x2 का square minus x1 का square. From here x2 का square minus x1 का square, and from here multiplied x2 का square a square minus x1 का square x2 का square minus of x1 square a square plus x1 square x2 square, whole power is 1 by 2. Mu square is cancel out, that is 1 upon x2 का square minus x1 का square bracket x2 का square minus x1 का square. From here taking first, that is a square is common and x2 square minus x1 square, and from here x1 square x2 square plus of x1 square minus of and into x2 square is cancel out. From here 1 upon x2 square minus x1 square and a square x2 का square minus x1 का square, total is whole square and 1 by 2 multiplied both terms. When remove 1 by 2, that is 1 by 2 is root, under root, that is a x2 का स्क्वायर माइनस x1 का स्क्वायर अपॉन x2 का स्क्वायर माइनस x1 का स्क्वायर. This is cancel out, that is equal to the amplitude of the simple harmonic motion. This is the required solution. Thank you class.